welcome back. I hope you all are having a fantastic day. So I am excited because if you've been following me, you know I love BirchBox Discovery Kits. I think that they are always so much fun because they include so many different things and you can try new things and you can discover new things. So I have one of their newest, just released, discovery kits, and it is the Fragrance Refresh Kit. So it came in this really pretty bag. So we'll dive into this in just a moment, but before we do, again, thank you so much for being here. I greatly appreciate it. Again, I hope you're having a fantastic day. You guys, we have our 5,000 subscriber giveaway going on, so make sure you do enter. That link will be down below. It is running through September 22nd, and I think it's a really good one. So, now, also, I'm trying to lose my voice, I apologize. Also, again, please leave a comment letting me know what you think of the video or just tell me how your day is going. I love hearing from you guys, and do please give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. It does help me out. Now, BirchBox. For those of you that do not know, BirchBox is a monthly beauty subscription. You can sign up. I will put a link down below. It will save you, I think, $9 on a 3-month subscription. And BirchBox has stepped up their game, y'all. The last couple of months when they revamped and did their thing, because it's $15 a month for new members, they have stepped up their game. The sizes of the products that you receive are larger. We have actually received some full-size products. They're better brands, like more prestige brands, and it's amazing. And I really love the fact that now you have the option. Some of these you did have before, but it's expanded. You have the option to select one of the samples that you will receive, and they've upped the number of samples. Now we're getting like 7. So you have the option to choose from like 3 or 4, one that you want in your box. The rest will be curated based on your profile. You have the option to choose usually between at least 3, if not up to 5 curated boxes, so you'll know exactly what you're getting. You have the option to choose a full-size product in place of the box. Last month, or well, this month actually, August, that is what I did, and I got a detangler leave-in conditioner spray that smells amazing. I love it, and it was worth more than double what I paid. So you do have that option. I know for September the full-size product is going to be a Tarte H2O lip gloss. So that's actually, those cost more than $15. So and then you also have the option to just let them completely surprise you based off of your profile with products. So you have so many options, and it's just absolutely amazing. So then they have their discovery kits. You can purchase things online. They have a shop. Now, you don't, to my understanding, have to be a member to purchase their discovery kits or anything from their store. But you guys, these are so amazing. So again, this is the Fragrance Refresh Kit. So here, I'll show it again. It came in this cute, like neon pink, but clear bag. And then this side says BirchBox, and it has a little snap closure. So this was $30. There's one thing in here, and I will pull that out first. To tell you, or there's one item in here that is the main reason I got this. So let me read the card because there is some information here. It says, good scents. Regular old perfume bottle feeling and smelling stale? Apply one of these fresh fragrances to awaken your tired senses. Our favorite trick is mixing and matching. So that's fun. Now, it does give full-size pricing for these perfumes. Now, obviously, these aren't going to be full-size, especially not with some of these prices I'm seeing. Now, a couple of them maybe. We'll have to kind of judge that, but Anyway, so I apologize. So we're gonna start with the main reason that I chose this kit to get. Kit to get. And that is because it had the Arizona perfume, you guys. I got this in a previous perfume kit that I got and I fell in love. This stuff smells so good. Like, oh my gosh. I have a little bit left from the one that I have. So when I saw this new kit and that it included this again, I was like, no brainer. So this is the actual bottle. So it's a really, it's a good size. Now, this is the Proenzia Schuler Arizona Eau de Parfum. I think I'm saying that correctly. Now, the full size of this is $100. A radiant scent with notes of white cactus flower and musk. Arizona is an accessory in and of itself, and that is true. Y'all can just put this on and walk out the door and you are good to go. So there was that one. And the next is actually one that I have been wanting to try. So I was excited that it was in here, and it is the Juliet Has a Gun. And it is the Moscow Mule. Full size, again, is $100. You'll notice hints of ginger, lime, and jasmine in this fresh spin on the beloved cocktail. So I don't know what this smells like, but just the notes and stuff, I've heard good things. And again, it's a good size. So I am excited about that. So we are going to give this a spritz. Ooh, that does smell so good. And I can definitely smell like the lime, but not like in an overwhelming. Oh, that smells amazing. Y'all. All right. And then, now this was something that I was really excited for. It came with a candle. So yes, there is a candle in here. What? From Vodebo, Island Grapefruit Aromatic Candle. Escape the daily grind by burning this island-inspired candle in your bedroom for an energizing citrus burst. So this is 4 ounces. Again, island grapefruit, rhubarb, and mango. So again, there is the label and the lid. Oh, that smells so, we need smell-o-vision. We need smell-o-vision. To be grapefruit and mango, and it doesn't have like a summery Caribbean beachy smell. It just smells really good. Like fresh and crisp, and I'm lighting this for sure. All right, so then we have, this is, I think this may be full size. I am not sure. Solenotes Paris Rose Eau de Parfum, full size, $20. This romantic perfume adds depth to its title scent in the form of vibrant bergamot, lychee, and magnolia notes. I typically do not care for rose, but all of those other notes sound exactly like something I would like. I want to see if I can open it without destroying the box. Which I couldn't. I tore the box a little bit. Okay, so this is a roller ball. I want to know what it smells like because it says bergamot, magnolia, but in case I don't like it, I don't want to roll it on because I could put this in a giveaway. I don't know. I'm going to think about that. We're going to think about this one. Put it back. I tore the box. All right. So then let's see. We have just a couple more. Yep. So this technically is counted as an item, BirchBox pink pouch. All right, so here we have, this is from Johara, am I saying that correctly? Tier Jasmine perfume oil. It says full size is $28. Again, I don't know if this is full size. This may be. There's that. This uplifting jasmine flower, blossom, and crisp morning dew fragrance is inspired by Indonesian tea fields at dawn. It's another roller ball. Oh, I can already smell this. And I like that the perfume oil. Ooh, that smells really good. Oh, that smells so good. Oh, I love it. I love it. The perfume. All right. And then I hope this is not full size. By Rosie Jane. Can you guys see this? Like, by Rosie Jane. Maddie perfume oil. The full size is $40. Blended with organic coconut oil to assist with smooth application, this tropical scent is reminiscent of an endless summer. Y'all, this, oh my God. Look at that. That is hilarious. Tracy, Abby, did y'all send the Smurfs this way? Tracy, this will go with your lipstick. I am going to smell it though, because all of those scents, again, sound like something I would like. I'm going to put it like over here. And use like a different. Ooh, that does not smell tropical. I don't think. I think that smells fantastic. I'm not saying that tropical doesn't smell fantastic, but to me that does not smell tropical, but it is an amazing smell. All right, so we have one more, and I'm actually really excited about this one. I want to see what this smells like. This is from, and sometimes I feel like I'm not saying this correctly, so please let me know if I'm saying this correctly. Tatcha, or Toka. I don't know if it's Toka or Tatcha. This is the Florence perfume. Here it is in the box. Full size is $76. Ooze sophistication when you wear this fruity floral concoction. It's rich enough for a night out, yet classic enough for the office. I have another perfume by this brand. It's a little sample, and I love it. So here is the little bottle, so cute. Okay. that's not really a scent for me. And I think maybe it's because it is more of a floral. So I'm going to put this back in the box. This will definitely be set to the side for a future giveaway for one of you guys. So that, and let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, plus a candle. We got 6 perfumes in the candle in the bag for $30, but I'm gonna go ahead and put this rollerball in a, I apologize. So I will be putting this in the giveaway into a giveaway as well. I did rip this to open it, but you guys saw I didn't touch it. I didn't put it on my body. And then the other one. So 2 of these are going to the giveaway box for a future giveaway. So let me know what you thought. I definitely am probably the most excited, obviously, for the Arizona. The Juliet Has a Gun Moscow Mule. Oh my goodness. And then of the 2 oils, the Jahara, this one, would be my favorite. The little mini Smurf oil that Tracy sent to go with her lipstick. Does smell really good. But I would definitely rank it Arizona, Juliet Has a Gun, the Jahara, and then this little dude. And then obviously I love the candle, so this is going to be lit. So that again is the BirchBox, the Fragrance Refresh Kit. So I will put a link down below if you would like to sign up for BirchBox. Like I said, they have definitely revamped, stepped up their game. Things are amazing. And you would not be disappointed. Like I said, I believe my link gets you $9 off a 3-month subscription. And that's usually the length of time you need to see if you're gonna like a subscription. So if you're thinking about giving it a try, there you go, save you some money. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know your thoughts. Do you have or have you tried any of these perfumes? What is your favorite? I hope you guys have a fantastic day. Again, don't forget about that 5,000 subscriber giveaway and have a fantastic day. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.